Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people maybe walking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools said, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Batuan na bato. Kaya nga eh, sabi ko magdala kayo
Nang? Eh?
Ikaw na, dalawa yan.
Tama.
Dalawa yan. Dalawa yan, 2 in 1. Pinakanin mo pa ako.
Ayan.
Tingin ako niya.
Excited na maligo.
Picture mo